Learn and master the world's most powerful reporting and data analytics tools with an Excel expert. Get lifetime guidance and support. Learn and master the Excel and VBA core areas like logical functions, lookup functions, MIS reporting, data analysis, dashboard development, data consolidation, and many more. Let me make a simple promise: you will have everything that you need to become a pro in Microsoft Excel with our power-packed Excel and VBA courses. Hi, I'm Deepthi Reddy, a Microsoft certified Excel expert and Power BI data analyst. I'm currently heading Excel Logics. I have rich industry exposure on MIS reporting, data analysis, and process automation. I have trained over 15,000 employees from 100 plus organizations. This training has changed the life of thousands. This training is going to be the best training of your life. Does your work or business involve working with data? If yes, join our power-packed Excel and VBA courses. See you in the next upcoming class.